Introduction. Ever wondered what innovation paired with distinctive design looks like? The Nothing Phone saga continues, revealing its latest marvel. Today, we're diving into the world of Nothing's latest creation, the Nothing Phone 2A. Coming hot on the heels of its predecessors, this device blends flagship features with a unique design ethos. But what makes it stand out? Let's find out. The legacy of innovation. Nothing has been on a relentless quest to shake up the smartphone market. Starting with the original Nothing Phone 1, a device designed to disrupt the mid-range market, followed by the Nothing Phone 2, which aimed higher as a flagship. Now, meet the Nothing Phone 2A, an intriguing blend of the past and future. Design and build. The Nothing Phone 2A doesn't just follow, it dares to stand out. Its design echoes a concept from 2020, marrying the familiar with the novel. A highlight? Its unique horizontal dual-camera setup on the back, a rare sight in 2024's smartphone landscape. Specifications deep dive. Body and display. Crafted with a sleek plastic body, the Nothing Phone 2A is built to withstand splashes and dust. It sports a vibrant 6.70 inches AMOLED display, promising a visual feast with its 1B colors and HDR10+ support. Under the hood, it's powered by the MediaTek Dimensity 7200 Pro chipset, ensuring smooth performance across the board. Photography enthusiasts, rejoice! With a 50 megapixels wide and ultra-wide rear cameras, along with a 32 megapixels front camera, capturing moments in stunning detail is a breeze. Unique features. Beyond the basics, the Nothing Phone 2A brings unique touches like the 3 LED lights on the back for notifications and camera lighting, and innovative software features with Nothing OS 2.5. Pricing and availability. Sitting comfortably between its predecessors in terms of features and price, the Nothing Phone 2A offers an enticing package for those seeking a blend of performance and flair without breaking the bank. Display and performance. The Nothing Phone 2A boasts a stunning 6.7-inch AMOLED display, known for its vivid colors and sharpness, though it lacks the LTPO technology found in its sibling. Powering the device is the customized MediaTek Dimensity 7200 Pro chipset, balancing performance and efficiency. Camera and battery. Photography on the Nothing Phone 2A remains top-notch with dual 50 megapixels rear cameras and a 32 megapixels selfie camera. Where it really shines, though, is in its battery life. With a robust 5000 mAh battery and 45W fast charging, it's set to keep you going longer than ever. Design and build quality. Nothing's aesthetic vision shines through with the Phone 2A's transparent back, revealing what's dubbed the eyes, a unique NFC antenna. This design isn't just for show. It combines form with function, offering a glimpse into the phone's inner workings. Packaging and accessories. Unboxing the Nothing Phone 2A is an experience in itself, with its eye-catching packaging and specially designed accessories, including a uniquely styled USB Type-C cable. However, note the absence of a charger, aligning with the trend of promoting sustainable practices. Practical insights. The back panel's 90-degree infinity back cover not only captivates visually but is engineered for durability. Yet, it does attract fingerprints and dust, something to consider for those who prefer their devices pristine. The GLYPH interface. The heart of the Nothing Phone 2A is its GLYPH interface. Imagine 3 light strips hugging the rear camera, offering 26 zones for unique notifications, a camera countdown, and even acting as a soft ring light. It's not just cool. It's functional, transforming how you interact with your phone. Design details. Beyond its flashy lights, the Nothing Phone 2A keeps things sleek with a matte finish and comfortably placed buttons. Despite a sizable bezel, it features an impressive display and an under-display fingerprint sensor for swift access. Display and performance. The 6.7-inch display shines bright, albeit without LTPO technology, balancing crisp visuals and efficiency. The Dimensity 7200 Pro chipset powers the device, offering solid performance nestled between its predecessors. Charging and sound. Fast charging? Check. The Nothing Phone 2A charges up swiftly with a 45W input, but keep in mind, there's no charger in the box. As for sound, the stereo speakers deliver quality audio, ensuring your media sounds as good as it looks. Connectivity and software. 5G ready and packed with the latest connectivity options, the Nothing Phone 2A keeps you in the loop. Running on Android 14 with Nothing OS 2.5, it promises a clean, visually stunning user experience with 3 years of software updates guaranteed. Unique features. Nothing OS stands out with its monochrome UI option and experimental features like third-party app integration through the GLYPH interface. It's a blend of practicality and novelty, ensuring your smartphone experience is anything but ordinary. Get ready, because Nothing's most wallet-friendly smartphone yet, the Phone 2A, is about to hit the scene on March 5th. As the launch date approaches, we're getting flooded with leaks, and today's no exception. We've snagged a look at new renders showcasing the Phone 2A in 2 classic shades, a sleek gray, black, and a clean white. Staying true to its signature style, Nothing is rolling out this model in both a light and dark variant. What really sets the Phone 2A apart are its distinctive dual-camera setup and the trio of GLYPH LEDs on the back, offering a standout design. However, it looks like we're saying goodbye to wireless charging this time around, as the round coil present in previous models is notably missing. Even though we're only getting a peek at the screen, the bezels are impressively slim and evenly balanced, keeping up with Nothing's design ethos without compromising on affordability. The white version even spices things up with contrasting power and volume buttons for that eye-catching panda vibe. Nothing has let slip that the heart of the Phone 2A is the MediaTek Dimensity 7200 Pro Society, a chip customized just for Nothing, promising top-notch performance. If rumors hold true, the 8GB, 128GB variant will be priced at €349, while the beefier 12GB, 256GB model will set you back €399. With its blend of unique design and solid specs, the Phone 2A is shaping up to be a real conversation starter. Outrow. And that wraps up another deep dive into the future of smartphones, right here on Future Phone Flash. Haven't joined our community yet? Hit that subscribe button to stay on the cutting edge of smartphone tech. Dive deeper into innovation by checking out our Best of Future Phone Flash playlist, right here. Missed our latest video? No worries. Click here to get caught up with the newest tech revelations. Follow us on social media for behind-the-scenes content and updates you won't find anywhere else. Thank you for watching Future Phone Flash, where the future of phones is always in the spotlight. See you in the next video.